BigBlueButton, Managing Users. On the Users panel, the moderator can access a Manage Users icon that looks like a cog. Moderators can use this menu to manage the session while it is happening. Moderators can disable or enable the feature Users Join Muted. Moderators can also mute all users except presenter during a quiet activity. Moderators are able to lock viewers' privileges as needed. For example, clicking on the Edit Shared Notes toggle will disable this feature for viewers. Click on the Apply button when you have made the changes. A message appears showing the changes have been applied. Moderators can save users' names to a text file. Moderators can clear all reactions after learners have responded to a prompt. Moderators can also create breakout rooms and access the Learning Analytics dashboard. Please see our other videos for more detailed instructions on creating breakout rooms and the Learning Analytics dashboard.